RedMagic has launched its latest flagship gaming phones, the RedMagic 11 Pro and 11 Pro Plus, in China. This device aims to redefine smartphone cooling standards by merging water and air systems, marking an industry-first implementation in mobile devices. The RedMagic 11 Pro will be available in transparent deuterium silver wing, transparent deuterium dark night, and silver wing Aries. Transparent variants feature a stunning rear design with a visible water cooling ring, where blue coolant appears to flow inside. The back panel remains completely flat with no camera protrusion. Both devices run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset and have scored 4.35 million points on Antutu 11. They come with up to 24 GB of LPDDR5T RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 Pro storage. The phones feature a 6.85-inch 1.5K BOE x10 OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, 10-bit color depth, peak brightness of 2000 nits. RedMagic 11 series houses a 50MP primary sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide camera with a 120 degrees field of view, and a 16MP under-display front camera by OmniVision. The RedMagic 11 Pro is backed by an 8000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging, while the 11 Pro Plus offers a 7500 mAh battery with 120W wired and 80W wireless charging. The RedMagic 11 Pro series starts at 4,999 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. 6.8-inch AMOLED display at 144Hz.